Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming to KW North Country, which is in Salina, Texas, on Thursday, June 29th from 12 to 2. This is a lunch and learn. It's open to everybody, so it's not exclusive to Keller Williams. Anybody can join us. We'd love to see a full house for one of probably the biggest topics out there right now, which is ChatGPT. So the first hour is going to be a 1-hour CE certified course on how to use ChatGPT for your business. The second hour is another 1-hour CE certified course on creating an amazing brand in 10 steps. And I'm going to show you how to do that with boxbrownie.com and all the amazing things that they provide. So this is a session that you do not want to miss. You're going to get fed. Your brain's going to get fed and your belly's going to get fed. You definitely don't want to miss this one. $20 on site, $25 via Zoom, and a $10 optional recording for anybody who would like to get the recording. So I will see you guys very, very soon in Salina. Thanks.